In future, people will not be seeing fecal waste as a waste, but as a resource.
Yeah, it actually doesn't smell like a toilet.
Basically, we are checking on something sustainable, a toilet that wasn't costly, and a toilet that would create employment for the youths. Actually, we didn't have jobs, and we said, how can we address a challenge and also create an opportunity for us? After somebody has gotten inside the toilet, urine will be collected in the urine dryer, connected just adjacent to the toilet. Then the fecal matter will be collected on a chamber just at the back of the toilet. That chamber, we seed it with the larvae of black soldier fly. Black soldier fly is a non-pest insect whose larvae is able to biodegrade organic waste. There is larval biomass we harvest from it, and also there is manure we harvest from it.
Nimepata ni mzuri kuliko ile ya kununua, sababu hii inakuwa top dressing ya kuweka maji chini ya mimea. Pili, mbolea yake inaingia haraka, hata ile inakuwa mnono zaidi ile mimea.
Our business model is to ensure that that person who is at the lowest level can afford the toilet. You pay the company $550 every month for a certain period of time, but you have the option of paying using used plastic waste. We want Sunny's toilet to be installed in every corner of our areas.